so I'm like not about the hot coffee, hot tea life. The envelopes, the biggest envelopes that I have do not fit the notebooks. That was a fail on my part. I could not with that sweater. But tragedy struck.
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging you. Morning guys, happy Vlogtober Day 18. I am like dressed in this ridiculous sweater because I'm just like, it's fall. I should be able to do this. But I'm sure that it's gonna be way too hot, especially at church. I feel like they have the heat on already and like it's just like boiling. So this is probably a bad decision all the way around, but dang it, I wanna wear my cute fall clothes. So anyway, I'm already like really hot and yeah, it's not gonna be good. But anyway, yeah, I got this new sweater and I'm trying to rock it. Don't know if I will. I also have these earrings in that my friend gave me. I will link her information to her store in the description box if you guys are interested, but they're just these cute little studs. So anyway, oh my gosh, I'm feeling so hot right now. I'm gonna drink my smoothie. James made a smoothie. I didn't drink it earlier because I had just brushed my teeth and it didn't taste very good. But it's almost time to leave for church, so I need to like, you know, drink my smoothie. I was gonna make an iced coffee, but tragedy struck. The ice was gross. So I don't have any ice for my iced coffee, which is such a bummer. I don't need coffee, so it's fine. I just wanted it because I like drinking coffee. Anyway, it's all good. I don't want a hot drink, so I'm like not about the hot coffee, hot tea life, but yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go drink my smoothie and we are gonna go to church and then I will come back on later to show you guys. I don't know what James is doing. To show you guys what we're doing for the day. Probably just a lot of like Sunday reset stuff because we did absolutely nothing yesterday. Like we took the day off and literally sat on the couch all day, which was great. Also makes us sound really lazy, but it was great. Much needed. I feel refreshed, ready to go. But yeah, we're gonna do a Sunday like reset sort of situation. So I'll show you guys that when we get home from church. Gonna have my smoothie, go to church, hopefully not die from being too hot in this sweater. Okay guys, we are back from church. I put on some comfy clothes because I could not with that sweater. It was very cute. I liked it, but it was just too hot. It was too hot to wear a sweater. I knew that, but still, I wore a sweater. So anyway, we are home now. We stopped and got Five Guys from Five Guys, obviously. So we're gonna eat that for lunch, and I'm really, really hungry. So I can have Five Guys if I get it without like the bun and a bunch of other stuff. So it just sounded really good today. I was just like, I just want Five Guys. So that's what we were having for lunch, and then we'll probably chill for a little bit and then maybe do a little bit of cleaning and grocery shopping type stuff today. So that's probably the main point of this vlog, is just going to be like a Sunday reset. It's going to be a mini reset. I know we're going to James's parents' house around like 6 because his mom's going to cut our hair, which will be so nice. So yeah, but anyway, that's the deal. That's what's up. So we're going to go eat lunch and chill for a little bit, and I will show you guys when we clean. Are you having fun?
Yeah, are you?
Yep.
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging you. Alright guys, so we've just been sitting on the couch. We watched some Lost, we ate some lunch, and I kind of like took a little nap. Like a couple minutes, I like dozed off. But now, we kind of just need to reset everything for the week. I just need to make a list, do it the timer trick, and get it done, because I'm not feeling it today. Like, I just want to sit on the couch and do nothing. But then I will feel bad about it later. So, and we did nothing yesterday. So now it's time to do something today. Anyway, so on the to-do list, we need to get this house somewhat back in order. Figure out what we're going to do for groceries for the week. I think we have most of our stuff, but there might be a few things that we need to run and grab real quick. And so I just need to make sure we have all of that together. So that's what we're going I can't talk. That's what we're going to do right now. Okay guys, so we got the kitchen mostly done. Those things are drying and I've got to just put those two in the dishwasher. But the kitchen looks amazing, and that's mainly like, I mean, I want the rest of the house to look nice, but the kitchen is like the one place I'm like, I just need this to be clean. We also, it was bright, tidied up the bedroom, made the bed. I just kind of did like a quick wipe down of the counters. They really weren't bad since we cleaned this last week, so that was good. So really the only thing that isn't clean is just out here, but we've been sitting out here like chilling and living life. So I'll probably tidy it tonight before we go to bed. It's gonna take like 5 minutes. So yeah, now we have to make a grocery list. We have to figure out what we need for groceries this week. We have several things in there. We ordered from Whole Foods yesterday. I didn't show you guys that because I was taking a vlogging break, but we did order a couple things from Whole Foods that we can't get at our grocery store. So have that, and now I just need to figure out how, like, the things we need in addition to that. So I think that's what we're gonna do next, is just sit down, make a grocery list, figure out what we need for the week, and go get some groceries. It is almost 5 o'clock. I think we're gonna go over to James's parents' house at like around 6 o'clock. So we still need to figure out what we need for dinner and also make dinner quickly. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay guys, we are headed out. We are going to Office Depot because the envelopes, the biggest envelopes that I have, do not fit the notebooks. So that was a fail on my part. So I'm hoping to pick up a couple at Office Depot so I can mail stuff out tomorrow. And then we are gonna go get our hair cut, and then we're gonna go to the grocery store, and then we're gonna come back, and I might do a little bit more cleaning and have dinner and all that fun stuff. So wanted to update you guys. Not gonna bring the camera along because we're literally just going to get our hair cut and then come back home. So anyway, that's what we're gonna do, and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, it is much later, but we went to Office Depot. We got the envelopes that we needed, and then we went and hung out with James's parents. We got our hair cut. I just got like a little trim, nothing too crazy, but it feels so much better. It's also looking a little wavy right now, but just ignore that. But anyway, we did that, and then we had dinner with them, and then we just hung out. And the next thing we knew, it was after 9 o'clock, so James is playing his weekly video games. And we didn't go to the grocery store because we have enough stuff for tomorrow, but then we'll have to go. And so we have a list. We had just a couple things we needed. So we were like, you know what? It's late. We're just gonna go home so James can play video games and we'll get the stuff tomorrow. So it's kind of weird. It wasn't like a weekly reset. I mean, it was because we cleaned, but I just feel like it wasn't our normal Sunday weekly reset, which is totally fine. But yeah, so anyway, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I know it's probably pretty short, but it was just kind of a busy day because we went to church and we went to both services, and then we just came home and we were like, okay, we just want to chill. And then we did a little bit of work, and then, you know, we had our evening plans. So anyway, I'm sorry that this vlog was a little bit on the shorter side of things, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give a thumbs up for me, and don't forget to click subscribe and check out tomorrow's vlog because we are packing some orders that came in over the weekend. So that should be exciting and should be fun. So definitely subscribe, stick around for that. But I'm gonna go so that way I can just kind of reset for the week and get everything done. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.